Hey everyone, this is Mr. Steckler. I am just going to make a quick video to show you guys how to use Screencast-o-matic, which is technology that lets you record your screen to make a video to explain something, as I am doing right here. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to screencast-o-matic.com. So you just go into your web browser and you type in www.screencast-o-matic.com. Once typing in Screencast-o-matic, this screen is going to pop up for you guys. So if you need more instructions after I explain it to you, you can watch this video over here. Otherwise, you just have to click this button that says Start Recording, which will take you to this screen. Now on this screen, you'll notice that there is a black and white ribbons outline. I can't show you this because I'm currently using that outline to record this video, but you guys should have this outline pop up on your screen as soon as you click Launch Recorder over here. So you're going to go ahead and click Launch Recorder. Obviously mine says it's already open, but yours will download. And after downloading, here at the bottom of the screen, you just have to click it to open it up. And then once opening it up, you will notice that there's this record, this little settings in this time frame segments. So in order to screencast, you have to make sure that you have your headphones plugged in, because your computers need to use the headphones with the microphone to do so. So if you currently do not have a set of headphones with a microphone, there's plenty around the room. Just look for one or ask Mr. Steckler and he will get you one. And then you're going to make sure that once it's plugged in, that this little green, orange, and red part actually lights up when you guys are talking. That's telling you that it hears the voice that is being recorded into the microphone. It's limited for free versions to 15 minutes, which is more than plenty for what we need. And in order to start, all you have to do is hit this record button, and then 3, 2, 1 will pop up on the screen, and then the video will be live. And what you see me doing right now for this video, with as you move your mouse, this little circle travels around with it to kind of highlight what you're trying to talk about. And then when you're done, a little pop-up screen will appear and it will ask, where would you like to save this video? We are going to save this video to our OneDrive by just simply saving the video file. So you'll just name the file, the video file, whatever it is, and it'll be saved most likely as an MP4, which is a video format file. And from your OneDrive, you now own that video, and you can upload it to whatever document you're trying to use to prove something, or wherever you want to make that video. You can also share it with mail or plenty of other options, but this is just a quick 2-minute tutorial on how to screencast. And if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.